Let me ask you something. Have you noticed how the world feels heavier lately? Not dramatic, not chaotic in a loud way, just heavy. You wake up, you do what you are supposed to do, but there is a quiet exhaustion that does not go away with sleep. If you feel this, I want you to know something clearly. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not imagining it. This episode is about why the world feels this way and what it's doing to the human mind. The weight you cannot name. Here is the strange part. Most people cannot explain why they feel heavy because nothing is technically wrong. And that's the trap. We are living in a time where information never stops. Crises rotate endlessly. Attention is constantly under attack. Certainty is disappearing. Your nervous system was never designed for this level of constant stimulation plus uncertainty. So it adapts, it numbs, it tightens, it carries weight silently. This is not sadness. This is not depression. This is cognitive overload mixed with emotional suppression, and almost everyone is carrying it. The invisible pressure. The world today does not collapse loudly, it collapses quietly. People are losing trust in systems, losing faith in leaders, losing connection with each other, losing meaning in work. But instead of stopping to process this, we scroll, we distract, we stay busy. So the pressure goes inward. That's why small things irritate you more than before. You feel tired without doing much. Motivation feels forced. Silent, silence feels uncomfortable. This is not a personal failure. This is not a personal failure. It's a global psychological environment. Why strong people feel it more. Here is something most people will not tell you. The more aware you are, the heavier it feels. Emotionally intelligent people, thinkers, observers, people who reflect. You feel the contradictions, progress without peace, connection without closeness, with freedom with anxiety. Strong people do not collapse, they absorb, and absorption without release becomes weight. So, if you have been wondering, why do I feel tired even though I am handling life? This is why. The shift that must happen. Here is the truth nobody sells you. The solution is not motivation, it's not hustle, it's not positivity. The solution is internal authority. You have to stop outsourcing your sense of stability to news, social validation, external outcomes. This era demands a different kind of strength, emotional regulation, selective attention, deep self trust, mental discipline, not loud confidence, quiet grounding. What you can do starting now. Let me give you something practical. Reduce inputs before increasing outputs. You don't need more information. You need more clarity. Name what you are feeling without dramatizing it. Awareness dissolves weight. Choose depth over speed. Fast living is draining slow humans. Build an inner rhythm. When the world shakes, rhythm keeps you upright. This is not about escaping reality. It's about standing steady inside it. The world feels heavy because it is heavy, but heaviness does not mean hopelessness. Hopelessness. It means we are entering a phase where inner strength matters more than external control. This series will explore that step by step. If this episode resonated with you, stay with me. We are here to, we are not here to panic. We are here to evolve. We are not here to panic. We are here to evolve.
The world feels heavy right now. Constant crises and information overload weigh us down, but you're not weak for feeling it.
Why the world feels heavy right now, and why you're not for feeling it. Why the world feels heavy right now, and why you're not weak for feeling it. The world feels heavy. You are not weak. The world feels heavy right now, and you're not weak for feeling it.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.